Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, does Tesla require regular maintenance? While Teslas don't need the same maintenance as a gas car, like oil changes, spark plug replacements, or emission checks, they are not maintenance-free. Teslas still have parts that need to be checked and serviced. The most frequent task is tire rotation, which is recommended every 6,250 miles. This helps with even tire wear. Other important maintenance items include checking and replacing the cabin air filter, which should be done every 2 to 3 years. The brake fluid needs to be tested every 4 years and replaced as needed. In cold climates, it's also recommended to clean and lubricate the brake calipers annually to prevent corrosion. Tesla vehicles also receive over-the-air software updates, which are crucial for performance, safety, and new features. So, while it's a different kind of maintenance, it's still a part of keeping your car in top shape. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to